Hello everyone, it's Jawad Sumro here. Welcome to this new quick tip episode. It's glad to see you here. In my last tutorial, I shown you how to create static and live captions in Adobe InDesign. If you want to watch that tutorial, the link is in the description. In this tutorial, I will show you the difference between static and live captions. Let's find out in this tutorial. Differences between static and live captions. When you look at both of these captions, they look just the same. So, what is the difference? Simple. Look at these live captions. Some of them are jammed together. How far I stretch this text frame, the text won't budge. If I stretch it horizontally, then text will disappear. But if you stretch the image frame to the text frame size, the text will come back. However, if I reduce the text frame of static captions, the red plus sign appears next to this caption. Now, if you don't want the text to look so messy, simply convert the live captions to static captions. To do that, select these captions, then go to Object, Captions, Convert to Static Captions. Now see, the text has improved itself. Let's convert this caption back to live caption. One more thing I want you to notice. When you move the static captions away from the image, they don't disappear. But when you move the live captions away from the image, the text will disappear. So, what's the point of using live captions? Simple. A static caption is made of regular text, but live caption is a kind of text variable, which means whatever is written inside the live caption is treated as one element. It's not the individual text characters. Now, here's the magic of live captions. Let's change the titles of any of these images. Let's say this river image. Let's open the details. I'm going to add green word next to the title. And I'm going to click OK. Now, go to InDesign. You see, the yellow exclamation sign has appeared next to this image. This indicates that some metadata of this image had been changed, and it needs to be updated. To update it, go to Window and Links. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-D. In this Links panel, you would be able to see the links of the images stored in InDesign. This river image needs an update. So, right-click on this link and choose Update All Instances. Now see, the static captions were not affected at all. But look at this live caption. You can see more words had been added into the caption. This is the title metadata that we changed few minutes ago. This means that once we update the links, live captions will be updated automatically. However, static captions won't be updated. Let's stretch the image frame so that text fits well. Let's exchange this river image with leaves image. See, the caption updated automatically. But if I do the same for static captions, the caption would not update at all. So, you have to do it manually. First, delete this caption, select this image, go to Object, Captions, then generate static caption. See, this is how easy it is. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the differences between static captions and live captions on the images in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.